In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison between TapTap Send and Western Union, focusing on which one offers better exchange rates for international money transfers. Exchange rates can significantly impact how much money your recipient actually gets, so choosing the right service is important. TapTap Send is designed for fast and low-cost remittances, especially to African and Asian countries. One of its advantages is offering competitive exchange rates with zero transfer fees, making it easier to estimate the final amount received. TapTap Send often includes the exchange margin in the rate shown up front. Western Union, on the other hand, is a global giant with decades of experience. While it offers extensive coverage and transfer options, its exchange rates often include higher margins, especially for cash pickups. You may also face extra service fees depending on the payment method and destination. If getting the most value per dollar is your priority, TapTap Send typically offers better exchange rates overall, especially for mobile transfers. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.